been wondering how to use Vetiver Essential Oil? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you some of my favorite ways to use Vetiver. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find both of those links. Now, the vetiver plant is a member of the grass family. The grass of the plant is a vibrant green color and grows straight and vertical. But unlike other grasses, the root system of vetiver grows down, making it ideal for helping prevent erosion and providing soil stabilization. The many roots of the plant grow in large clusters underground, and our vetiver comes from those roots. Now, how does one use vetiver? Well, you should know right off that one of the top properties of vetiver is that it's a natural sedative. So think of all the things that need calming down. It's a great oil to diffuse at night when you need a good night's sleep. And give your body a little tender loving care with a Vetiver Oil Bath. For best results, just fill your bathtub up with warm water and add a couple of drops of vetiver oil to the water and swish it around. These simple steps will provide you with an ideal bath that is perfect for deep relaxation. Ever lie down at night and your mind starts racing with all the things you didn't get done today or that you have to get done tomorrow? Vetiver on the bottoms of the feet can quiet those voices. Even in the daytime, if you're feeling a little anxious or irritable, a drop of vetiver on the back of the neck. Voila. Now, let me just tell you that vetiver is one of our thickest essential oils, so be patient. A drop will come out, and 1 or 2 drops is all you need. Need a little more immune support? Put 2 drops of vetiver in a veggie cap and take it internally. So you can see vetiver can be taken internally, diffused, or used topically. It's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.